5.7% as I understand today's numbers, which is again a record percentage of votes. And yes, we did come short by about a percentage or percentage and a half of votes. But that is something that we will look into, and we will look to increasing our support.
What do you think that restricted you from getting few more seats in Kerala?
No, it's too early to analyze that and too early to answer that question. But certainly, it was not for want of trying, not want of a vision for Tirunelveli. We campaigned extremely positively. As you know, there are dynamics of certain minority communities and certain narratives that were put out there by the parties that maybe we were not able to break through and we were not able to expose.
Will you able to continue here in Trivandrum?
No, my commitment to Tirunelveli is 100% total. It has nothing to do with me being a successful Lok Sabha MP or not. I have said when I came here on the 5th of March, it is my mission to transform Tirunelveli, and I stand by my mission. And all my colleagues in the BJP and my fellow Karyakartas stand by our mission to take Tirunelveli forward.
So BJP opened an account in Kerala.
We are very, very happy. We are very excited, and we think it marks a very, very important milestone in the growth and expansion of the BJP in Kerala and in the south of India. Suresh Gopi has worked very, very hard in the Trichur for the last 10 years. He has contested earlier. This is his third time at electoral politics, and to win by such a huge, decisive margin and to put the Congress candidate into third place is certainly a very, very important signal and certainly an important encouragement for the BJP in particular in Thrissur and in Kerala in general.
So in center, BJP didn't cross 400 bar.
No, obviously it is disappointing given the fact that the last 10 years our Prime Minister has worked very hard and transformed India significantly. The expectation was that the NDA would be 350 to 400, and we have come short as I see it on TV. We will see the results, and we will see what the party and the leadership decides. Thank you. Thank you.